Hey everyone, this is Chirag from dconcloud.com. I am going to start a series around Alibaba Cloud tutorial in which I will cover some basic and some advanced level concept as well as demo which will help you to learn about this platform in a simplest way. The idea is to make you ready about its associate as well as the professional level certification, and this platform is gaining lot of traction from last couple of months, and I am also learning it from last 6 months. And I will drop my referral link also in the description. You can follow and you can sign up for the free account, as the other platform are giving some free tier or credits. The same here, you can come on the home page and see this free trial link, and you can see some services are free for some time and some services are free for always. You can learn more about the services. We are going to explore more and more. It is little bit different than I can say from the other cloud platform, but we will explore as I was playing and try to learn for myself. Now I am going to share it with everyone. So let's start to create a free account in this quick video, and you can come on, click on the free account, and you need to fill some information. I'm going to enter the email ID as well as the password. It will take couple of minutes to create the account, and then we will be ready to play with our new Alibaba Cloud Console. Just make sure you select the right country as well as the right email ID which is valid, because you need to verify your email ID. And I am entering. So after that it will ask for a verification code. Just click on the send this button and the verification code will be landed in your email box within couple of seconds. Let me figure out my verification code and let me enter that code here. After that, just click on verify. So this will take couple of seconds and we will be able to see our account. After that, couple of more steps like entering the payment information, and so after a few seconds it will ask again. It will show the same home page, but this time it will give the option that we need to give the billing address and payment method, so that our free trial will be ready and we will be able to utilize the services. So it is asking me for now billing information. Here I would like to share that if you are doing it for your organization, just select enterprise account, but if you are using as an individual, select that. As this is belong to me, I am going to select the individual and I am going to fill the information. So I have entered all of my information regarding address as well as the mobile number verification and then the card information, and after that in just a matter of few seconds I get this success confirmation, and now I can go to the console and start seeing about the services. So you can just the home page. Let's click on the console page and it is ready. So this is the first time when you create the account, you will see this is Alibaba Cloud Console, and I'm going to skip the intro, and here you can see this is a fresh account created and some information regarding my account which I entered. It is there and we can see the product listing, everything is there. So feel free to create your account quickly, and in the next video I would like to start with by securing this account. So this account is your root account. If you are coming from a different cloud platform, so understand this is a root account which is having all the most powerful credentials. So we are not going to use this account for our services purpose, but we are going to make some IAM user and IAM login and make sure this account will have some kind of multi-factor authentication and all those policies, some password policy, user group. So we are going to create in our next video. So subscribe to my channel for more videos